equal to 1 represent a hyperbola, then listen, we know the hyperbola equation: x square by a square y square by b square equal 1. So x square by a square plus y square by minus b square equal 1. Comparing these two, this value is positive, greater than 0. This value is negative, less than 0. So c minus 12 greater than 0 or 7 minus c less than 0. When it represents a hyperbola, this is a positive value, this is the negative value. So c minus 12 greater than 0 or 7 minus c less than 0. So c greater than 12 minus c less than minus 7 multiply with the minus c greater than 7. Eccentricity of the hyperbola. This is very important for 2 marks also. The eccentricity of the hyperbola is √3. Then eccentricity of its conjugate hyperbola. Let E1 equal to √3. Let E1 equal to √3. Next, let E2 be eccentricity of the conjugate hyperbola. So what is the relation between E1 and E2? 1 by E1 square plus 1 by E2 square equal to 1. Note down. We know that 1 by E1 square plus 1 by E2 square equal to 1. 1 by √3 whole square value 3. 1 by E2 square value 1. 1 by E2 square equal to 1. 1 by E2 square equal to 1 minus 1 by 3. That is 2 by 3. Take the reciprocal values. E2 square equal to 3 by 2. So E2 value under root 3 by 2. Under root 3 by 2. The length of the latus rectum. Length of the latus rectum. Length of the latus rectum. X square minus 4y square equal to 4. X square by 4. Y square by 1 equal to 1. Therefore, length of the latus rectum 2b square by a. 2b square by a. 2 into B square value 1, A value 2. Hyperbola, vertices of the hyperbola x square minus 3y square plus 2x plus 12y plus 1 equal to 0. Options plus or minus 3 comma 0, 1 plus or minus 2 comma 3, 2. Third option minus 1 plus or minus 1, 2 plus or minus 2. Fourth option 1 minus 2 plus or minus 3. Listen. Vertices of the hyperbola. Calculate center of the hyperbola. How to get the center of the hyperbola? Center hyperbola or center in the ellipse or center in the circle. We get the center word in 3 chapters: circle, ellipse and hyperbola. In all these 3 chapters, for calculating the center, apply dou f by dou x formula and dou f by dou y formula. Solve the dou f by dou x equal 0 and dou f by dou y equal 0. We get the center. So first calculate dou f by dou x equal to 0. 2x plus 2 equal 0. X value minus 1. X value minus 1. Dou f by dou y equal to 0. Minus 6x. Minus 6y. Minus 6y. 0, 0. Plus 12 equal 0. Minus 6y equal to minus 12. Y value 2. Center minus 1 comma 2. Vertices. Center is the midpoint of vertices and also foci. Center is the midpoint of vertices and also foci. So verify that one. 3 0 minus 3 0. Midpoint is 0 0. This is not the answer. Next, minus 1 comma 2. So these two are 3 2 minus 1 comma 2. What is the midpoint? Minus 1. Minus 1. Sorry. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 by 2 equal 1. 1 comma 2. So it is not the answer. Next. Minus 1 comma 4. Minus 1 comma 0. Midpoint is minus 1. 4 plus 0 by 2, 2. So this is the answer. By verification, C is the midpoint of the vertices and also foci.